Alright YouTube, what is going on? Welcome to another video. So for those of you who are brand new to the channel, in our most recent video, we got this thing fully up and running. So we got this thing from auction for $2,900. It was in a flood, so when we got it, it did not have any power. So in our last video, we got everything pretty much sorted out. It starts good, it runs good. So yeah, now we're gonna start diving into the fun stuff. I've been accumulating quite a few parts over here, so this is just a little sneak peek of a few of the things that we've got going on. Not wait to show you guys the new color scheme I'm going with. You know, I do like the red, but I enjoy customizing them even more. So I want to turn this thing into something that you will not see anywhere else. You know, you don't even see many of these to begin with. By the time we're done with this, it is going to truly be a one-of-a-kind build, which is what we do. You know, we buy these cars from auction, fix them up, turn them into cool one-of-a-kind builds, and then give them away. So you can go get entered right now at AtlanticBeachCustoms.com. Every digital photo you purchase of this thing will get you one entry. So you can go purchase as many photos as you want. You'll receive a random one every time, so you can collect all of the different photos of this, and every photo you purchase will automatically give you one entry in to win this car. And if you'd like, you could also pick up some merch. So we did just drop some new hoodies, some sweatshirts, some other shirts. Every $5 you spend in merch will get you one entry as well. So go to the website, pick up some merch, pick up some digital photos, and you will get automatically entered to win this. If you haven't seen our other video, we just delivered our giveaway number 1, which was our Dodge Charger rebuild to Ryan. So he bought $25 worth of digital photos for that Dodge Charger, and sure enough, one of those was that lucky entry that was drawn. So, you know, for a couple bucks, this thing could be yours. You never know. You never know. All it takes is that one lucky entry. So winner will be drawn live March 22nd for this. So yeah, without further ado, let's go get into the video. So first thing we got to do is give this thing a nice wash. We got to get all the contaminants, all the dirt off. So I'm going to start this thing up, pull it right out here, give it a nice good wash, and then we'll start dismantling this thing. So we got a lot of work ahead of us, but this will be a ton of fun. It's going to be the only 300 like it. All right, so I figured something else I'd do real quick since I'm giving this thing a full wash is detail the engine bay. As I'll show you guys, this thing has not been cleaned for who knows how long, definitely since the flood. You can kind of tell because it is dirty. So I think I might start with that, give the full engine bay a quick little clean. As you can see, this red is super cool. I believe this is called Inferno Red. So I do love this red. You know, the red's in super good shape with the exception of this front bumper, but it'll be super cool to give it a new look. I mean, you know, wrapping is kind of our thing. We wrap everything we have. So it'll be super fun to give this a new look. That's another thing that's cool is the vinyl wrap will actually help protect this paint underneath, keeping it all nice and clean. So for the winner of this giveaway, you know, if you ever want to go back to it, you can simply just take the wrap off and go back to the red. But it'll be really cool to give it a new look because I think it's going to look awesome. I think it's going to look super cool. And this car has some really cool body lines, so it'll be fun to work something up. So another thing we're going to do is figuring out what to do with the wheels. I think I'm either going to be wrapping them, so doing a partial vinyl wrap, or painting them. We're also going to be painting the brake calipers. So we're going to be taking these off, you know, doing something with the wheels, painting the brake calipers. Something I want to do real quick is get a few of these things opened up. I want to show you guys the new tail lights and the new headlights we got. Those, along with the wrap, I think are going to make a huge difference. So it'll be super cool to see how that looks. You know. finished look at the wheels. I think they turned out pretty great. Just ended up painting them in this aluminum silver, and then I stenciled out the SRT logo in black. So I think that looks pretty cool. And then I did not get around to finishing up these calipers. I did come down with a cold this week, so this is pretty much gonna wrap up the end of this video. But stay tuned, because in our next video of the part 2, you're gonna see the calipers fully done as well as the wrap. So I already started the wrap, so I'm not gonna show you guys that yet, but our upload next Friday, you'll see the full finished product. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, this is gonna be awesome. I'm so excited to show you guys the finished product. Thank you all again so much for watching, and I'll catch you all later.